as just a school, with public relations and some edu, communicating as the spice, a dash of film to make it nice. And you've got College of Com, 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 College of Com. You've got some film and TV, and advertising and PR. Can't forget about journalism. College of Com, it's true. Communication is hard, but I think that's not true. Maybe College of Com is a lot of work, but it fills our lives with so much love. College is full of fun things to do. Extracurriculars are the extra scoop. Mix an ounce of internships and some lifelong friends to make it neat. And you've got College of Com, 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 College of Com,